online teacher training course at Craven Community College. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to use folders to display a number of related files. A zipped folder may be uploaded and unzipped for display, or an empty folder created and files uploaded into it. I will demonstrate both ways in my HOTT sandbox. To begin, I will turn on my editing. I will then go to Add an Activity or Resource in my Files and Folders section. I'm going to add a folder. I will give my folder a name. Now I'm going to look at some files and folders that I have saved on my desktop and find the one that says HOTT Zipped Folder Example and drag it into the content area and letting go with my mouse when I get to this area. I have some options for settings and how I want to display my folder contents. I can display them on a separate page or inline on a course page. I also have the option of having my subfolders, if I've created some, expanded or collapsed. For this example, I'm going to show folder contents on the course page, which is inline on a course page. I have not created any subfolders, so this checkbox is not relevant in this example. I will keep the checkbox checked that says Show Download Folder button for students, just in case students want to download the folder as a zip file. I'm going to save and return to course. And now I see my zipped folder inside of my example folder. And I also see my download folder button. The other way to add a folder to Moodle is to manually create a folder in Moodle. I'm going to do that now. Add an activity, folder, and add. And of course I need to name it. This will be example folder 2. And I can add the files one at a time here by dragging them over. I'm just dragging random ones over for this example. And you can see they all get added here. This time, let's see what happens when we show them on a separate page, since we looked at it the other way last time. And I'm going to save and return to course, and let's take a look at what this folder looks like. So notice the difference. The first example folder, we had the content showing inline on the course page, and the second folder we had it showing on a separate page. So in this one we need to click on the folder to see the files that are inside. And I still have the option to download the folder as a student. So that's it. Thank you for joining me for this hot topic of adding a folder to Moodle. See you next time.